Hey, it's Dorothy here. I'd like to share with you today a simple and effective breathing technique that takes just a minute for you to settle down, calm your nerves, and reduce stress. You can apply this breathing technique anytime during your day, eyes open or eyes closed. This breathing technique is called the 4-7-8 breath. All you have to do is breathe in and out through your nose and bring the tongue to rest on the roof of your mouth. You inhale to the count of 4, hold the breath to the count of 7, and exhale to the count of 8. And you do this only 4 times, which equals to about a minute. Let's try this together, making sure to breathe in and out through the nose and keeping that tongue resting on the roof of your mouth. So take a big cleansing breath in before we start. Inhale through the nose. Side out the mouth. Relax your shoulders, jaw. Bring the tongue to the roof of your mouth. And we'll begin. Inhale through your nose to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale through your nose, count of 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax the breathing, letting go of any control. Just breathe naturally and notice the effects of this 1 minute 4-7-8 breathing technique. Take this with you at any time of your day. Enjoy, share with others, and keep on meditating. Thank you so much.